And so this course is designed to help those seeking understanding to grasp, first, how redemption has been accomplished for the church by Jesus Christ in his humiliation and suffering, in his exaltation and glory. And second, set in that context, we need to press on and understand how the redemption accomplished by Christ is applied to the church in calendar time by the supernatural work of the Spirit working through the gospel to effect union and communion with Jesus Christ. And then to elaborate the way the benefits of redemption manifest that union with Christ. And so the primary focus of the course will be on union with Christ by the Spirit through the Word of God and the benefits of that union. And there'll be a special emphasis on the way union and its benefits are with a Christ who has been crucified and glorified, and what that means for the union bond. You need to be aware this course is not designed to be exhaustive, but selective, not comprehensive, but foundational. And we're not going to deal with every text possible on our topic, but with the most basic texts that help you gain a better understanding of the glorious biblical truth that you, the church, believers and your children are united to Christ in suffering and glory, in his cross and resurrection, in his crucifixion and ascension into heaven. Now, because this course is designed at an advanced Sunday school level, I'm going to organize the material generally in terms of the teaching of the Westminster Shorter Catechism, especially questions 23 through 38, but it will be selective. We won't talk about each question with equal emphasis.